Yamwakwa babed media yatuni din uno Opoku nsi Twi yiso. I welcome you to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. In the last lesson, we learned how to introduce ourselves by way of saying what is his name. In Twi we will say Nidin the same, and we'll respond Nidin de. We can also say Yefreno sen, and then we'll answer Yefreno so and so. Today we are continuing. This time around, let's assume that you went to a place or I went to a place with my friend. It could be my wife, my child, or my sister. And so I'll greet, good afternoon, and then they will respond. Then I'll continue to say, I am Opoku, and this is my friend. In Twi, how am I going to say that? First, I will say, me mamwa that is what? Good afternoon. And then they will respond, yeah, nria. Then I can say, Ofrem Opoku. Then I will go on to say, me yɔnko nie. So when I say Ofrem Opoku, meaning I'm called Opoku. Me yɔnko nie, this is my friend. Me means what? I, or me, or mine. In this context, it means what? Mine. Me, mine. Yɔnko, friend. Nie means what? This is. So, in effect, the person is saying, this is my friend. Let me repeat it again. Ofrem Opoku, me yɔnko nie. Ofrem Opoku, me yɔnko nie. I am Opoku, this is my friend. Some people will not use yɔnko, but they will use adamfo. And so, that person will say, Ofrem Opoku, madamfo nie. Ofrem Opoku, madamfo nie. Madamfo consists of what? Me and adamfo. And as I've explained in other tutorials, when the Twi pronoun me means a possessive noun or a possessive pronoun that begins with a, then the me loses the e, and then it is replaced with an apostrophe, and then the possessive pronoun is written together with it. So in this case, that is why we are having what? M with apostrophe together with what? Adamfo. So, madamfo nie. Ofrem Opoku, madamfo nie. I can also say, yefrem Opoku, madamfo nie. Good. If you are a woman and you went there with your husband, then you will also, after greeting, you will say, Ofremi, for example, Ya. Ya is a name of a girl or a woman born on what? Thursday. Ya. For more details on 3 days of the week and the name given to a person born on a particular day, I'll put the link in the description. Check it out for more. Good. So, you will say, Ofremi ya. Mi kunu nie. Ofremi ya, mi kunu nie. So I am called Ya, and this is my husband. Ofremi ya, mi kunu nie. Some people will not use kunu. Kunu, that is husband. But they will use what? Me ho kafoɔ. So we say, that person will say, Ofremi ya, me ho kafoɔ nie. Ofremi ya, me ho kafoɔ nie. Me ho kafoɔ. We can explain it this way. Literally, this is what it means. If somebody is with me, then in Twi I will say, Oka me ho. The or refers to what? He or she. Ka me ho, with me. So if I say, me ho kafoɔ nie, it means the one who is with me. This is the one who is with me. Or this is the one who is attached to me. me ho kafoɔ nie. Me ho kafoɔ nie. Okay? That refers to what? One's husband or one's wife. Good. So instead of saying me kunu nie, you can also say me ho kafoɔ nie. Me ho kafoɔ nie. Me ho kafoɔ nie. If you are a man and you went there with your wife, then I will say, ofre mi opoku, me yere nie. Ofre mi opoku, me yere nie. I'm called Opoku, and this is my wife. I'm called Opoku, and this is my wife. Ofre mi opoku, me yere nie. Me yere nie. And I can also say, ofre mi opoku, me ho kafoɔ nie. Good. What about with your child? Then I'll go on to say, ofre mi opoku, me ben nie. Ofre mi opoku, me ben nie. Ofre mi opoku, me ben nie. Well, as I always say, kete wese, yes ni do rura. And so, me de besi ha, so I'll end here. And this has been Learn Twi with Opoku. I'm glad you've been with me till this far. For more of such videos, then subscribe to my channel so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Thanks for watching.